Well, I've had two clients before I came to AccuQuote pass away, and I delivered the checks to the widows, and one of the widows said something that I'll never forget. I went to her house and she said, the other people will give me cookies and cakes and you gave me my home back.
My mother passed. That life insurance saved my life. I had the extra money to do the things that I needed to do in an emergency, in a crisis situation where that money came in handy, which actually made my lifestyle and standard of living easier to obtain.
I've had the unfortunate circumstance of having to have family members ask for donations to bury loved ones because they died very young and they felt like, I'm invincible, I don't need life insurance. And unfortunately, they did die early 20s and early 30s. And what it does is it puts a strain on the family at a time that's not something that you should have to be worrying about how to pay a bill.
I did lose my mom last year, and so there was life insurance there. It was enough benefits to cover for her final expenses. It wasn't, she was at an age where she really didn't need to provide income replacement. It was more for a burial type of situation. She was 65 when she passed away. I mean, to me, it was wonderful. I mean, my family is still using that. Every time I have something of cost, if my family plans a vacation, I don't look at that as I've earned enough at work to deserve this vacation. I look at it like this was a little bit of extra money that my mom provided to me, to allow us to have the fun that she's missing out on because she's not here with us anymore.
I've been affected by life insurance on both ends of the spectrum because my grandparents thought ahead. My brother was able to go to college with minimal loans. My parents have been able to help me through some of my trying times and made life a lot easier for us. My parents were able to buy their home a lot sooner, pay it off. On the flip side, I was married and my husband passed away 3 years ago. Didn't have any kind of insurance whatsoever. So my children were left, with just their single mom, struggling to get by. So my children have to suffer for that.